and thank you for joining me for Ask Gardener Lynn. Now, our question today comes from Lisa, who lives in Zone 8, and her question is, what is the best way to plant bare root strawberries? So Lisa, this is a really great question. You know, strawberries are one of my favorite garden plants, and you can grow them from seed, but most people purchase strawberry plants. These plants are shipped to you from a nursery, and the plants come in bare root. This means that there's no soil on the roots. So there's 3 steps to helping the strawberry plants make the transition from the box to the garden. All right, number 1, you're going to soak. First, you will want to get the plants out of the box as soon as possible. If you can't plant them right away, just put the whole box in the refrigerator until you can plant. So the strawberry plants have been held in cold storage for a while, and they're probably really thirsty. So 30 minutes before you plant your plants, take them out of the box and place the roots in a bucket of water, but do not submerge the crown of the plant. This will allow the plants to soak up as much water as they want before planting in the ground. You don't want to soak the plants for over an hour. This could cause the roots to drown, and that could kill the plant. All right, number 2, planting. Next is planting the plant. Dig a 4-inch deep hole that is wide enough to spread the strawberry roots out. The key here is to keep the crown of the plant at the soil line. This is critical to the life of the plant. Plant it too deep and the crown will rot and the plant will die. Firm the soil back around the plant. Double check to see that the crown is at ground level. Now, before we get to the 3rd most important step, I would like you to know about our strawberry ecourse. So in it you can learn all of our growing secrets for growing big, sweet, organic strawberries that you can harvest over an 8-month period in the first year. So you can find a link to the course and special YouTube viewer coupon for a discount in the description below. All right, number 3 is watering. Even though we just soaked the roots, it's critical to water the plants within 20 minutes of planting. So the roots can die off if they're exposed to too much air. So the best way to prevent this is to water the soil around the plants so that the soil will release any air pockets around the roots that you created when you planted the plants. So I call this burping the baby. And if you have a long row of plants, then you can have a water can with you and water as you go. And then when you're done, just soak the whole row with a hose. The first watering is the most important so that you can get the soil to settle in around the roots properly. If you do this, you set your strawberry plants up for success. With these 3 steps, your strawberry plants should take to their new home. Now, if you have a garden question that you would like answered, go ahead and send us an email. The address is in the description below.